This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful corned beef salad. This guide will help you prepare a flavorful and satisfying meal that is perfect for any occasion. We will cover everything from selecting your ingredients to mixing them perfectly, ensuring a delicious result every time. Get ready to enjoy a classic dish with a fresh twist, ideal for sandwiches or a light lunch. To begin, you will need a 12-ounce can of cooked corned beef, which forms the base of our salad. For creaminess and binding, have about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise ready. We will add 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery and 1/4 cup of diced red onion for a delightful crunch and sharp flavor. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a pinch of black pepper will enhance the taste, along with 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley for freshness. First, open your can of corned beef and drain any liquid, then flake the meat into small pieces using a fork. Next, in a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine the flaked corned beef with your chopped celery, red onion, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and black pepper. Gently stir all the ingredients together until they are evenly distributed and the mixture is creamy. Finally, add the fresh parsley and give it one last gentle mix before tasting and adjusting any seasonings to your preference. Once your corned beef salad is perfectly mixed, it is best served chilled. You can enjoy this versatile salad in many ways: piled high on your favorite crackers, spread generously on toasted bread for a hearty sandwich, or even tucked into crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option. For an extra kick, try adding a few diced pickles or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Store any remaining salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.